In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a webhook in Make.com. We're going to walk through the basic setup process inside Make so you can quickly create a scenario and begin configuring a webhook connection. This is a useful starting point if you want Make to receive data from another app or service and use that data inside an automation. To begin, open Make and go to your main dashboard. This is where you can manage your existing automations and create new ones. If you're new to the platform, just take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because most of your setup work will start from here. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This opens a blank scenario builder where you can choose the first module for your automation. In Make, a scenario is simply the workflow that connects your apps and actions together. After the scenario builder opens, use the search field and type in Webhook. This helps you quickly find the Webhook module without scrolling through the full list of available apps and tools. Searching is usually the fastest way to get to the exact module you need. When Webhook appears in the results, click on it. This selects the Webhook app and moves you into the next part of the setup. At this stage, you're choosing the tool that will receive incoming data and trigger your scenario. Next, select the sample action shown for the Webhook setup. This is the action Make provides in the module selection screen for getting started. Choosing the correct action here is important because it defines how the webhook will behave inside your scenario. After that, select the sample connection. If Make prompts you to choose or confirm a connection, go ahead and select the one available. In some cases, this step may simply confirm the setup option rather than requiring a separate login. Just follow the on-screen prompt and make sure the connection is selected properly before moving on. Once everything is filled out and selected, click Save. This finalizes the webhook setup for this part of the scenario and stores your configuration so you can continue building the rest of the automation afterward. As a quick tip, before leaving the setup screen, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the correct webhook module, action, and connection. Small mistakes here can cause issues later when your scenario starts receiving data. That's it for the initial webhook setup in Make.com. After saving, you'll be ready to continue configuring the rest of your scenario based on what you want the webhook to do.